Today's video is going to be pretty short. I get this question a lot, and some people are spending way too much money doing this, so here's a few tips on how to clean your makeup applicator. If someone is telling you to use alcohol and shampoo, stop the presses. This has been such a game changer for me. I had to show you guys. Hope it helps you as much as it helped me.
Let's get into the video.
I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup sponge first, and then show you how I clean my brushes. First video was taken with my cell phone in the bathroom, so hopefully the quality isn't too crazy. I want you guys to see how dirty this makeup sponge is before I even start. It's crazy. This is my Real Technique sponge. I probably reach for this one more than any of the 6 beauty blenders that I have. I love this thing, but it needs to be washed. Now watch this. Under running water, get it nice and damp. Obviously it's going to expand as that happens. That's the color that we want this to be. Sponge under the running water. While you're doing this, you're going to squeeze the sponge, and basically what this does, it will clean the sponge from within by causing it to soak up soapy water continuously, and every time you squeeze it, it pushes that soapy water with the foundation back out and soaks up more clean soapy. Look at this. This is crazy. Seriously, that took like 3 minutes. Now, on to the next. This miracle in a bottle is worth every penny. When it comes to direct sales makeup companies, sometimes the price and the quality can be a little hit and miss. Like, seriously, they have the ingredients list right here, and listen to this. They've got jojoba esters, barley extract, bark extract, sandalwood extract, and a flower extract. Like, come on. Come on, no wonder my brushes feel so soft after. I did just order a brush cleaner from the app Hush, so once I try that, I will be sure to let you guys know how it compares. But this brush cleaner I've been so obsessed with. I have a stupid amount of eyeshadow brushes,
Which I love.
when I'm using a lot of colors, instead of being a normal person and wiping off the brush in between the eyeshadow pans, I just grab a new brush. So by the time I'm done, I have so many dirty brushes, it is a nightmare to even think about cleaning. How often you clean your makeup applicators totally depends on how often you use them, but I clean them once a week. I used to dread how long it would take me to clean my makeup brushes and sponges. It would take like an hour to do everything and over an hour to dry. But now everything is like a 10-15 minute process for me. So with this, you just spray a dirty brush, wipe it on a paper towel, which I'm about to show you, and that's it. It dries instantly. Like, watch this.
Hold up. Watch this.
My contour brush. This thing is D-A-R-K dark.
Shut up.
Shut up! Look at how much product this thing removed. That's crazy. It's literally crazy. Look! I forgot this thing was, like, I always forget this thing is white. I always forget this thing is white by the time I go to clean it, because my contour is so dark. But look at that, like, and it's dry. Like, it's dry. I can use it now. Well, now I got it dirty and I gotta clean it again. But, hello? How could you not love that? No weird smell, no funky chemicals.
It's just done.
The best part is actually the fact that this is one of those direct sales items. So on top of getting something you're gonna love for a good price, like, you're able to support small business. That's awesome. If you liked any of the products that I used today, you can find them listed in the description. You can purchase this spray from Younique and other makeup and makeup related products from the links. I don't make any commission and I don't get any perks from whether or not you purchase, so if you like it, cool. If not, like, it literally doesn't affect me in any way. I just provide the links to make sure that you find someone that will fulfill your order quickly and easily, and you can find the product that you're looking for. 2 women listed, and from Younique, like, I've known them for years. They have been a part of this company for years, so I trust them enough to provide their links in this description box. But either way, girlfriend, We got a ton of fun videos coming your way. And an exciting giveaway once we reach
500 subscribers.
all you have to do to enter is subscribe and comment on a video. Every additional comment and share is an additional entry for you. This channel is designed to be beginner friendly, so if you have any questions, leave it for me in the comments. I promise I will respond. If there's something you liked, something that made you laugh, like something that stuck with you, let me know about that too. Like, this channel is for you guys. This isn't about my ego. This is for you. So let me know what you're looking for, and I will get that to you. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Be sure to follow my other social media accounts for makeup inspiration, giveaway notification, and we have a Facebook Live giveaway coming your way very soon. So as always, you know what to do. Be sure to like, be sure to share, be sure to subscribe, yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Hope you guys have a great weekend. See you here next week. Bye,